months this thing now?
It's 3 weeks now. 3 weeks now.
2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
So when will you start selling?
By 3rd week of December, sir. Let's hold that.
Do you have enough food?
Yes, enough feed, yes, sir.
Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to Ebonyi TV, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the incredible transformation happening in the southeast region of Nigeria. And today we are in Ebonyi State. Today we are diving into something very extraordinary. Governor Francis Ogbonna inspection of the Ebonyi State Hatchery in Abakaliki. Trust me, you'll be blown away by the progress and innovation happening right now. So let's get right into what the hatchery looks like now as we speak. So the thing is, the governor did an unexpected inspection of the hatchery last night and it was just mind-blowing. This is a hub of agricultural excellence and a beacon of what practical agriculture can achieve when it's prioritized. Let's start with the poultry section. Yes, it's really buzzing with activity. As you can see, the hatchery has recently welcomed a massive number of birds, including broilers and layers. Can you imagine the scale of this particular operation? These birds are well cared for, and you'll be delighted to know that the poultry section is gearing up to start selling very soon. That's right, fresh, high-quality poultry products will soon be available, and you know what that means: food security and economic empowerment for the people of Ebonyi State. But that's not all. Structures for fishery ponds and piggeries are also springing up across the farm. The fishery section is already shaping up to become a powerhouse of aquatic farming, ensuring that Ebonyi State remains a leader in sustainable fish production. And the piggery, it's not just growing, it's thriving. These expansions are setting the stage for Ebonyi to become a major player in livestock farming the whole of southeast Nigeria. Wait till you hear this particular one. The hatchery isn't stopping at just poultry, fishery and piggery. Nah. Governor Nwifuru has approved funds for the establishment of a feed mill right on the farm. Yes, a feed mill. This game-changing addition will ensure that these animals are fed with the highest quality feed produced right here in Ebonyi State. Talk about self-sufficient and innovation. And guess what? Extensions of the hatchery are already ongoing also. This is what it means to dream big and deliver even bigger. We're talking about a fully integrated agricultural system that benefits not just Ebonyi State, but the entire region. Now, let's give a big round of applause to these staff working tirelessly at the hatchery. These individuals are the backbone of this operation. I mean, yes, they are doing their job, but then they deserve some accolades too, ensuring that every bird, every fish, and pig gets the care they need. Governor Nwifuru, in his wisdom and appreciation, directed that these staff be employed as a permanent staff in the state civil service. How amazing can this ever be? This is what true leadership looks like, right? Recognizing and rewarding hard work. Governor Francis Ogbonna has shown time and again that he's deeply committed to supporting practical agriculture. His vision is clear: to make Ebonyi State an agricultural hub that not only feeds the nation but also creates jobs and boosts the economy. The progress at the Ebonyi State Hatchery is a testament to his unwavering dedication. This project is more than just a farm, it's a statement. It's proof that when leadership meets vision, anything is just possible. Ebonyi State is setting a shining example for other states to follow. The hatchery is a symbol of hope, growth, and the endless possibilities that agriculture can bring. So, what can we expect moving forward? Well, the hatchery is on track to become a major supplier of poultry, fish and pork. The feed mill will soon be up and running, providing top-notch feed for the animals and creating even more job opportunities. And with the ongoing extensions, the possibilities are just endless. Now, Ebonyi People TV viewers, this is where you come in. Let's celebrate this achievement together, don't you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Visit what excites you most about the progress at the Ebonyi State Hatchery. Is it the poultry, the fishery, the piggery, or even the feed mill? We'd love to hear from you. So stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on this particular project. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell so you never miss out on the transformation happening everywhere in the southeast region of Nigeria. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next video.
How many months? This thing now.
It's 3 weeks now. 3 weeks now. Yes, sir.
So, when will you start selling?
By 3rd week of December, sir. Let's hold that.
Do you have enough food?
Yes, enough feed, we have, sir.
What of the other side?
The other side is the second pen there is also the dollar unit. Then the one at the extreme is the fullest unit, the layers, and the pattern layers, sir.
How many do you have? I think it's 4.
Yes, 4 units, 4 pens. First, A and B is for boilers. Then, the third and the fourth one is for layers.
Did you study agri?
Sir?
Did you study agri?
No, what I did is computer science, but I have a little farm where I do poultry.
Are you a consultant, sir?
No, sir, I'm the coach attendant, sir. I'm a coach attendant. I attend to the yes, sir.
Government paying you?
Yes, sir.
Are you from where?
I'm from Edo State, but Mighty and Kenya. You go to the side, sir. Yes, sir, we can.
It's not going to be bigger than it.
All we just need is no hands. Yes, but yes. Using some paper gold and cement down because of sand.
These two.